Hello and welcome. In this video, we will continue learning about Kaagunitha. Okay. In the previous video, we had seen how to write, how to pronounce the Kaagunitha of K. Okay. In this video, it will be about Kha. Okay. Kha. Now, we know that these are the root consonants and these are the vowels along with these two, and we know that we have to add the vowels to the root consonant to get the sounds. Okay, the sounds that are used in Kannada language. In the previous video, we had studied or learned about the first root consonant K, and in this video we will study about or we will learn how to write, pronounce the sounds that you get when you add all these vowels to second root consonant K. Okay, K. Now the first root consonant is K and this is Kh. Okay, Kh. Both are same, but this root consonant has more power to it when we speak. Okay, if the previous one, the first root consonant is Kye, this would be Kha. Kh. The previous one would be Kye, K, and this would be Kha. Kh. Okay, Kh. Now, let us start learning about the sounds that we get by adding the vowels to second root consonant K. Okay, so the first sound is Kha. Okay, Kha. The first sound is Kha and it is obtained by adding a to K. Okay, K plus a equal to K. Kh, K plus ye equal to K. K. The thing about this root consonant is that it is difficult for me to give you an example for the pronunciation. Okay, because the usage of this particular sound K is very rare in English. Okay, wherever I get an example, I'm going to give it to you, and wherever I do not, it will be blank. Okay, so we'll just see how to write it. So for this one, there is no example that I can give you where you use it in English. So let us move on and see how to write it. K is written like this. Okay, it is similar to writing number 2. Okay, number 2, and then extending the tail a bit higher. Okay, so that is how you write K. The next sound is Kha. Okay, Kha. The way you get Kha is by adding a to K. K plus a equal to Kha. Okay, Kha. And the way you pronounce it is like Kha in Khan. Khan. Okay, Khan. That is how you pronounce it. Now let us see how to write it. We write Kha like this. Okay. Once again, Kha. Yes, so that is how we write it. The next sound is Khi. Okay, Khi. And the way we get this sound Khi is by adding K with E. K with E will get you Khi. Khee. Okay, Khee. And the way you pronounce it is like Khi in khichdi. Okay, khichdi. Khichdi is a eatable thing that you find in India. Okay, if you are a listener from a different country, so this is something that we eat in India. Okay, it is called as khichdi. Okay, Khee. The way you write Khee is like this. Okay, Khee. Once again, Khee. Okay. The next one is Khee. Okay, Khee. And the way you get this sound Khee is by adding E to Kh. Kh plus E will get you Khee. This is similar to the previous one, Khee, but then we drag it a bit. The previous one is Khee. This is Khee. Okay. The way we pronounce it is like Khee in Kheer. Kheer. Kheer, once again, is a sweet that we eat in India. Okay. Kheer. Khee. And now let us see how to write it. Writing Khee is similar to writing the previous sound. Okay, the previous sound you can see above. But then we have one small extension. Okay, extra thing like this. Okay, this is Khee. The next sound is Khoo. Khoo. And the way we get Khoo is by adding Oo to Kh. Kh plus Oo will get you Khoo. Okay, Khoo. And the way we pronounce Khoo is like Khu in Khushi. Khushi. Okay, Khushi. Khushi. That is how you pronounce it. Now let us see how to write it. We write Khoo like this. Okay. Once again, like this and like this. Okay. Khoo. The next one is Khoo. Khoo. You're dragging the previous one a bit further. The previous one is Khoo and this is Khoo. And the way you get Khoo is by adding Oo to Kh. Kh plus Oo will get you Khoo. Okay. There is no example in English which I can give you for this. Okay. So the way we pronounce it is Khoo. Now let us see how to write it. We write Khoo like this. Okay. Once again. Yeah. Like this. Khoo. The next sound is Kr. Okay. Kr. And the way we get Kr is by adding a R to K. K. K plus R. Kr. Kr. And as I mentioned in the previous video, you do not have to remember all these things. Okay. If it confuses you, no need to remember all these things. Remember only what is on the right side in every slide, okay, on the right side. And once you are familiar with it, you can come back to the video and see how you get it, okay. Till then, no need to learn this if it confuses you, okay. If you get a hang of it while you are learning, then it is fine. If not, do not worry, okay. So this is kr, okay, kr. Now there is no example that I can give you in English, but the pronunciation is similar, okay, like cr in crack, okay, but then pronouncing this would be crack, okay, crack, or like cr in scrap, okay, and if we use this, it would be scrap, scrap, okay. I know that this is the example that I gave you in previous video, but then just to make you familiar with this, I've used it once again, but the pronunciation would be kr, okay, kr. Yeah, now let us see how to write it. We write kr like this, okay. Once again, yeah, that is how you write it, okay. The next sound is k, okay, k. The sound k is obtained by adding a to k. K plus a will get you k, okay, k. There is no example in English which I can give you, okay, but the pronunciation is k. Now let us see how to write it. We write k like this, okay, k. Once again, like this, yeah, okay, k. The next one is a bit longer version of the previous one, which is k, okay. The previous one is k, this is k. You're dragging the previous sound, and we get this sound by adding a to k. K, when we add it with a, we get k, okay, k. There is no example in English which I can give you, so let's proceed to see how we can write it, okay. I had a bit of problem while recording, so I've scratched it out on the left side, okay. But then this is how we write k. Once again, k, okay, k. Now let us see the next sound, Khay, okay, Khay. The sound Khay is obtained when you add I to k. When you add I to k, you get Khay, okay, Khay. Once again, no examples in English, so let us see how to write it. We write Khay like this, okay. Now these sounds are used exclusively in Kannada and also some other Indian languages, so we do not find the usage of this in English, okay, or if it is there, it will be very rare, okay. So Khay. Next sound is Kho, Kho, okay, and the way we get this sound Kho is by adding vowel O to K. K plus O will get you Kho, and the way we pronounce this Kho is like KHO In kho, the sport, okay, the sport kho, okay, which is this sound, kho. Now let us see how to write this sound, kho. Okay, the one that you see on the left is kho, and this is also kho. This is how we write kho. Okay, kho. The next sound is kho. Okay, kho. We are dragging the previous sound a bit further. Okay, the previous one is kho. This is kho. And the sound kho is obtained by adding wo to k. K plus wo is kho. And once again, there is no English equivalent and no examples for me to give you. So let us proceed and see how we write it. Okay, we write kho similar to this kho, but with an extension like this. Okay, once again, kho. Okay, kho. Kho. The next one is cow. Okay, cow. The way we get this cow is by adding k to ow. K to ow will get you cow. Okay, cow. No examples in English, so let us see how to write it. Cow. Like this. Once again. Yeah. So cow. Okay. The next one is khum. Okay. Khum. So we get the sound khum by adding to k. K plus gives you khum. Okay. Khum. No English equivalent. So let us proceed and see how we write it. Khum. Okay. We write the first sound k and then we write a circle next to it. When we do that, we get the sound khum. Okay. K plus a circle is khum. The last one is Khaha. Khaha. And the way we get this sound is by adding a ha to k. K plus a ha is Khaha. Okay, Khaha. There is no English equivalent. There is no English word where we use this. So let us proceed and see how we write it. So we write it like this, k and two small circles next to it. Okay. K plus two small circles will get you Khaha. Okay. So that is the last sound. So what we have done is added the vowels that you can see in red color to the root consonant that you can see in blue color to get the sounds that you can see in black color. Okay. Now it is left to you to practice pronouncing it and writing it, and then you can move to the next video. Okay. So till then, take care and thank you for watching.